Hello stock market fans, and welcome to another video of bullish candlestick signals and chart patterns from bullstock.info. Our video today looks at some of the stocks featured on Bullstock Info that look promising for swing trade on Monday, April the 26th. For the complete list of chart patterns, visit www.bullstock.info. Alright, and we're going to start our video today with a look at three bullish engulfing signals. The bullish engulfing is a large candlestick that engulfs or completely covers the previous day's bearish candle. The bullish engulfing pattern is an important bottom reversal signal, and we have three up on tap to take a look at for trade on Monday. And the first is a drug stock. You might have heard don't do drugs. Good advice. Can be done on the stock market side, but do have a little more volatility. So you do want to be a little extra careful with the drug-related stocks for trading. AMLN, AMLN, is our first bullish engulfing chart pattern we will take a look at, and you can see right here the bullish engulfing pattern right here. It engulfs the previous day's bearish candlestick, and that bearish candle is almost like a hammer. And for those that follow our videos, you know that the bullish engulfing candle is even more powerful if it engulfs more than one candlestick, which AMLN does. It also engulfs the day prior to the previous day. All this activity happening right on the 50-day moving average, which is kind of acting as support here as we get this serious down move for AMLN. Again, the hammer type signal, the bullish engulfing. And if we'll come down a little bit to incorporate our stochastics, which is the red and black line, you'll see stochastics in the oversold area have crossed over and coming out. Volume is average or a little less than average. We'd like to see a little stronger volume, but we've got the stochastics, and we have a major buy signal happening right on a level of support, the 50-day moving average. So that's a nice looking bullish engulfing for AMLN, AMLN. Our next bullish engulfing is CBAK, CBAK. And you'll notice a lot of sideways trending consolidation in this chart pattern. But one thing you want to look at, we have the bullish engulfing for CBAK, and it happens right at this previous area of support and resistance. You remember that old support becomes new resistance. So we have support here as it's come down, back up, pretty much in the same line. It's provided some support. A little higher low, but then we come down here right to the same level of support. So good level of support for CBAK, oversold stochastics, about average volume, bullish engulfing, again encompassing two previous days candlesticks, closing just below the 8 exponential moving average. So keep an eye on CBAK, CBAK. And Rhino, R-I-N-O, also providing a bullish engulfing. Same type scenario. Look here, the low of this candle, particularly. That is the same $18 area, 1880, 1881 area that has provided this support. Serious downtrend for Rhino, R-I-N-O. We have oversold stochastics. They have not quite curled over, but just getting ready to, looks like. Decent average size volume, but again, bullish engulfing. Our moving averages are way up here, which would be good profit targets. So we don't have a moving average acting as support on this one. We do have a couple of previous lows, but bullish engulfing, the weaker of the three, I would say, that we have looked at on this video. Okay, we'll flip the switch, if you will, or look at the inverse side of the engulfing. Look at the Harami, which is a small candlestick that is inside a previous day's candle. And let's see if we can zoom in on that a little bit more. You can see the for Dr. Pepper Snapple, DPS, the positive candle is inside that bearish candle. That is what's called a bullish harami. And again, blue line is your 50-day moving average. This action is forming right on the 50-day moving average. We had a nice uptrend, downtrend, broke through the 20, broke through the 34 EMA. 50 looks like it's providing some support for us, giving us that bullish harami candlestick pattern, which also formed again on that 50-day moving average with stochastics in the oversold area. Now, a lot of times, folks, we're not going to show you the stochastics because our videos and our charts that we take a look at, that's what we scan for, stocks that have a combination of factors, oversold stochastics being one of them. SNTS, also a drug manufacturing stock, also a bullish harami. Big candle here, touchdown, 350 area, maybe very minor support, but you have some price action here after the big drop down, big gap down day. Maybe getting a dead cat bounce, didn't really happen. Now we have like a hammer type signal, and that's a hammer harami, if you will, with oversold stochastics. And anyway, bullish harami for SNTS. Good looking bullish harami chart pattern. All right, and we will conclude our video with a couple of Morningstar signals, which is a 3 candlestick pattern that normally signals a major bottom. Morningstar is a highly reliable reversal candle. The Morningstar signal, we'll take a look at a couple of those patterns to end our video. And the first Morningstar is going to be a drug stock, a biotech, Onyx, ONXX. We'll come over here and encompass all of the chart pattern, and for the first part we'll look at that volume right down here on the bottom right. Look at that huge volume on the day on Friday for ONXX. We get the Morningstar pattern happening. Again, remember, the Morningstar is a 3 candlestick pattern. Look at the gap down, look at the gap up. Look where we opened. We actually opened above the below the 8 exponential moving average, but closed above the 8 EMA, the 20 simple moving average, the 34 exponential moving average, and the 50 simple moving average. Big, powerful Morningstar. Also got above this previous level of high. Look for good things for ONXX. Another Morningstar is CELG, another drug biotech company. CELG, Morningstar pattern. If you'd been playing this thing on Friday, you could have noticed the big doji hammer on Thursday. That would have been a good entry signal for you here, this candle right here, to go ahead and perhaps put a buy order in when it reached above that previous day's high. This thing went up $1.15 on Friday, so you'd have captured a lot of that move. And our final Morningstar signal is NIHD. Zoom in on this one a little bit. Uptrend, down. Again, here's that doji. Morningstar completing the pattern, the 3 candlestick pattern. Again, the Morningstar signal, highly reliable chart pattern. And that is going to do it, folks, for our bullish candlestick chart pattern video, compliments of bullstock.info. For a complete list of free bullish candlestick chart patterns each and every trading day, just visit our website at www.bullstock.info. You can also follow us on Twitter at twitter.com/bullstock. Thanks for watching, everybody.